It all begins with an idea, a vision of what could be, sparking a flame of creativity and ambition. A simple machine with untapped potential.
Producing more standard V8 torque than any other truck in its class.
Waiting to be transformed.
On the 2002 Toyota Tundra.
The journey from ordinary to extraordinary requires more than just tools and parts. Demands passion, precision, every detail, every decision, by a singular purpose. This is not just a truck. This is a masterpiece. And it all began with an idea.
What is up, off-road fans? This is Andrew from Toyota Customs. As you can tell by that super dramatic intro, we have a highly anticipated video today for you guys. We're going to be doing a complete and in-depth build breakdown on this off-road beast of a truck. We're going to be talking about everything from lift kit, tires, rims, armor front and back, bumpers, headlights, everything. Make sure you stay to the end because as the video progresses, we're going to get more and more in-depth on the parts. Now this 2002 Tundra, nicknamed Gwen, belongs to a friend of mine, Noah. I've known him for a number of years now and he's been extremely supportive of me and my aftermarket parts company, Toyota Customs. So shout out to Noah for letting me do a video on his vehicle and all the support over the years. This 22-year-old truck has an absolute laundry list of mods, everything from the front to the rear, and I want to dive in and talk about all of them with you today. But before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment down below which vehicle you want me to do a build review on next. One of the most popular specs everybody wants to know about is wheels and tires. Now this truck is sitting on a set of BF Goodrich KM3s. The size of these tires is 315/75 R16s, which translates into just under 35-inch tires. This truck also features some beautiful 16x8 Method 304 rims in a nice black finish. It also has some Spider Trax 1.25-inch spacers on the front and the rear of the vehicle. These spacers are super popular among vehicle owners, and it just gives that truck a little bit more aggressive look. Now when it comes to lighting and accessories, this truck has just so much. This truck features Baja Design LP6s as well as Baja Design Squadrons on the front and the rear to help with lighting up the trails at night. Also from Baja Designs, it features S2 Sport ditch lights. It also features mini projector bulb headlights as well as spider LED taillights that really make it stand out at night. And rounding out the exterior lighting, it does have the 3 amber lights in the front that go on the TRD Pro 1st Gen Tundra grille from Toyota Customs. Moving on, it also has the Warn Evo 10S winch as well as the Prinsu cab roof rack. It also features the Lear 100R topper. On the inside, he has the Midland MXT 400 radio as well as the Grand Vista whip antenna. He's also converted all of the interior dome lights to LED and has dome light switches and rocker panels. He also replaced the radio with a Pioneer wireless Apple CarPlay head unit with vocal speakers. The truck also features an all-pro off-road tailgate panel. Now as far as exhaust components go, he does have some JBA shorty headers as well as a Flowmaster 40. Let's talk about the armor on this vehicle. As far as bumpers go, he has the Brute Force Fabrications front bumper, as well as the high clearance rear bumper with a single swing out. The truck also has Brute Force Fabrication rock sliders. Under the vehicle, he does have the Skid Row off-road skid plates, which includes everything from front skid, oil pan skid, transmission skid, cat guards, and a transfer case skid. He also has the RA Motorsports gas tank skid and a Toyota bug guard. Let's talk about probably the craziest part of this build, which is the completely rebuilt suspension system. Starting in the front, we have ADS racing shocks, 2.5 inches, with remote reservoirs and a 700-pound spring. This adds approximately 3 inches to the front of the vehicle. The front also features SPC upper control arms, as well as Total Chaos guested spindles, Total Chaos uniball conversion lower ball joints, Solo Motorsports lower control arms, Timbren off-road bump stops, Suspension Max extended sway bar links, CVJ axles with high angle boots, and Energy poly rack bushings, ending it off with extended brake lines. The rear features 2.5-inch ADS racing shocks with a piggyback reservoir, custom heavy-duty Alcon leaf springs with bump stops, Archive Garage hammer hangers, shackles, and a frame cross tube, a U-bolt flip kit, extended brake lines, and finally, proportioning valve bracket and e-brake cable bracket relocation. So after all that, the only thing you can really say is wow. Now Noah also wanted me to mention that he does have some more future mods planned for this truck. That includes re-gearing it and putting in front and rear e-lockers. So much time, thought, and hard work has gone into upgrading this vehicle to make it a truly amazing truck. We love working with off-road enthusiasts like Noah and many others to help create top-tier content and create super cool products for you guys. As we wrap up, make sure to check out these cool scenic shots of the truck, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.